Imagine that your child, whatever age he or she is right now, being happy, and happiness means having the ability to take whatever life throws at them in a very positive manner. They are healthy, physically, mentally, emotionally, socially, spiritually. They are successful, doing what they really want to do in their life, highly engaged, producing results, and they are secure. Just imagine that you as a parent are able to create this for your child. How would it be for you? How would that be for your child? Anything else left out, would that be a huge pat on your back? And imagine doing this by design, not by chance. A lot of you may say that this is all a dream, this is not possible, because when you look around and when you look at your own experience of bringing up your children, it's full of difficulties being faced in terms of getting them to eat right, getting them to sleep on time, getting them to do their routine, getting them to study, think about their career, have a passion in life, behavior, so their emotional well-being and their emotional connect with you. So while we are struggling, we are doing so much to make this happen, and our experience has been that end of the day it's exasperating. We feel that we are not good enough. There is something missing either in ourselves or in our techniques or maybe in our children. And here I am sitting here telling you that happy, healthy, successful and secure children can happen as a design. And this process is not like good to have, something which you can experiment with, something which has been used, established with more than 300,000 parents over the last 15 years and parents and families who have benefited from it. So my request to you, hop on, check it, how exactly you can start this journey for yourself and your family. You know, we all say that bringing up children is natural, and I would agree with that. Bringing up children is very natural, but raising human beings is a skill, and once you acquire that skill, it becomes very simple. But once we learn the skill, it's something which we can do without even thinking. Similarly, bringing up children is a science, and I am requesting you to hop on and see what exactly is available for you and for your children. And our promise is happy, healthy, successful and secure children. This whole thing which has got hardwired in their brain that everything is available quick and fast, that doesn't work, and that is detrimental for their life. I want to talk to you about one of the biggest power you have as a parent. How can I remove these labels from this glass? How do I do that? Pretty simple, just rub them off. And by the way, that's exactly what we need to do with ourselves. Rather than looking at this whole relationship like performance impacts your confidence, impacts your self-esteem, it's actually the other way around. When you say I am good enough, I am great, that is when you start saying I can, and that's where your performance is going down. So let me start this video by asking you a very fundamental and a basic question. What is your role as a parent? So let me tell you how this entire week is structured for you in the Parenting Mastery Program. The first thing we do is break this whole myth around that it takes a lot of time for parenting. If you need to do and raise your children, raise better children, has a great family life, you need to spend a lot of time with children. By the way, you don't need to. So these are less than 15-minute videos, and you will move on from one to the other. The only thing is that 15-minute action needs to be taken by you.
But the myth is that you do not need time for parenting. You do not. And if you are spending more than 15 minutes a day in parenting your child, then you are definitely doing something damaging. Not wrong, damaging. Because सुबह उठाना, पढ़ाना, ये करना, वो करना, ये करना, वो करना is not your job. That's not parenting.